Well, today I'm doing a video about the Mr. Heater Big Buddy heater that I bought on Amazon.com. I looked at it at Walmart, I looked at it at Tractor Supply, and I ended up buying it on Amazon.com because Amazon was the only one where I could also find this it's a quick release hose that I can connect it to a 20-pound propane tank like you would use on a charcoal grill or something like that. You can also use these little ones, just a little, I forget what they are, 5 or not 5 gallon, but I forget what they are, two. Anyway, you can also use these. Let's see. Well, I was just gonna show it to you, and I'm gonna open the box and let you see there. You can see this. This is the regulator. It attaches in there, and then there's a special plug in there. At least there was at the one at Tractor Supply that you can plug this into. So, without that, I'll open this up. Pull this out. Well, I hope I'll open it up. Alright, well, we're going to put it down here on the floor. Set it up there where you can see it. Pull it up out of the box. Hopefully, here in a minute. Nice thing is, they shipped this in its original box, and, well, they didn't even put it in another box, so that's kind of weird the way to ship it like that. You'd think they'd have it in some other kind of box to protect it a little bit, but they didn't, so yeah, set that over there. Caution, do not mix old and new batteries, yada yada. And there's the operating manual instructions there. Okay. And we're inside this plastic bag. Pull it out. And there's the big buddy heater. Let's see. It has two places here to connect these tanks. There's one on both sides here. Both sides there's little doors that open up, and you can connect there and there. Okay, and basically what you would do is make sure this is on off, and then just pop that lid off there. This is an old one, so pretty sure there's something in it, but you can just screw that right onto there, like that. Or you can open this quick. Yeah, nice. There we go. You take this is the end here. It's like kind of like an arrows thing, and you just connect it. Maybe it's not on this side. It must be on this side. Or it be. Yep, there it is. There's a connector back, right up in there. It's that one in the back, right up here. That's the one we're shooting for. And then you just take this, push that up in there. You gotta pull it down. Yep, pull this. Oh, Yeah, you have to pull this down. And, well, it's supposed to be a quick connect. Yeah, there you go. You slide that up in there. And then this end is the end that this here is the end you'd connect to your 20-pound tank. And then you would go through the starting instructions and everything. Let's see. Alright, go back here. It's got good directions right on the back too, so I mean, just so you know. There's the bat takes four D-cell batteries to light the pilot, I guess. It has a plug for a I think it was a 6-volt. Well, I suppose this is going to be hard to believe, but when I went to adjust the camera to show you the 6-volt thing on the back of the heater, I ended up shutting the camera off. So I went through the whole process of starting the heater and getting the heater all done, and showing you how to do everything on it and learning myself how to do it. And here I wasn't recording it the whole time. So the good thing is that I found out that the blower fan on the heater didn't work. So I'm sending it back to Amazon, which that whole process of sending stuff back to Amazon works really simple, really easy. So at least so far, how the crediting of it's going to work back to my card, I don't know, but that whole process was cool. Then I went to Tractor Supply in Horseheads, New York, and bought another one that they had up there, and they actually had it was on sale for less than what I actually paid for it at on Amazon. So I went and bought that. So I'm going to finish this video using that one. So if you're wondering why the one I was doing was red and the one I'm finishing with is green, that's why, because I ended up having to go buy a different heater. So okay, I'll finish that up then. Alright, well, let me get that chair out of the way. Let's see, this time without actually doing that, I'm going to zoom in and show you that it's a little 6-volt thing. This one didn't come with the adapter either, so it's not much of a difference. It's just the company didn't do that. It wasn't a special thing. And there's the that's where the batteries go. It takes 4 D-cell batteries in here. You can see that they go in. You kind of have to put them in at an angle and kind of push them in like that and get them to go in there, and then just close that up on them. And then let's see. Oh, yeah, up here. And I don't know if I showed you where everything goes or not, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Let me get this out of here. Alright, that should be good, I think. Okay. Yeah, because that was on the other one. So then I'm just going to take this tube, and I'm just going to put it on here. This one doesn't have a quick connect on that side. I wonder if it's got it on the other side. better. That's gonna be good. I actually checked the blower in the Tractor Supply parking lot to make sure that the heater fan actually worked on this one, so I shouldn't have that problem again this time. So yeah, it's got the quick connect down there, so we're good to go on that. And then let's see, to start it, it was just push this over to you push down on the button up here, put it over to pilot, and then you gotta make you hear that clicking sound. Trying to get that pilot run. You can see, you can actually see the pilot down there. Click. Isn't working as good as the other one. Why is that? Yeah, now see the other one work better. There we go. And you're supposed to hold it for like 30 to 60 seconds to make sure that the pilot catches once there's a little you can't really see it. It's right down there on the bottom. There's a little flame shooting up to get the pilot started. Let's see if it worked. Yep, pilot's on. Okay, and then you switch it to push down on the button. I guess not quite that far, and push it over to low. And then you can, I don't know if you can see that, yeah, the flame will go up, and it'll actually, you can put it on medium too. And there's a high, but you don't use a high when you, I'll show you the high in a minute, but what'll happen is that burner on the left will turn orange. Let's see if I can turn the light out, see if it helps at all. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, you can see it's flame's starting to go, and it's starting to turn orange there. Okay, after that heats all up real well, then you can actually switch it over to the other one. It should be good. I'm gonna try that. There's medium, and then switch it to high, and you can see that kind of move right over to the other side there. And it'll start heating that up. And then you can there's a switch back here for the fan. Turn the fan on, and it'll start circulating the heat around the room. So that's it. It was real simple, real easy to use. Like I said, my local Tractor Supply was sold out, so you may have to go to a different one. I had to go to Horseheads, New York to get this one. Yeah, I think that's it. I can't think of anything else to tell you about it right now, so yeah, that's it. That's all. Okay. Yeah, Merry Christmas.